Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement setting. Friends, you want to on Redmi mobile call ID announcement setting. So friends, now let's see how to turn on Redmi mobile call ID announcement one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Redmi mobile you want to turn on call ID announcement setting, caller ID announcement setting. How to on? Open your device phone call setting friends. After turning on phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, what will you have to do? First of all friends, click here three dot and click here call history option. You want to check your Redmi mobile call history. Friends, I don't have any call history. Click here miss call history setting and you can check your miss call history in Redmi mobile, and left side you can check your all call history. So guys, I don't have any call history. You have call history, so you can check call history. Okay. Second friends, click here setting option. Blocked number you can check. You can unblock contact number. Friends, I don't have any block number, and you have blocked any contact number, so you cannot receive call from block number. You cannot receive text messages from block number. After unblock number you can receive call and text messages. Scroll down here, quick response setting you want to on in Redmi mobile. So you can turn on your quick response setting. You want to edit your quick response setting, so friends you can edit. Example friends, you can see I will call you right back, so we will remove. You can write here your custom quick response. I don't have time now, I will talk to you later, I will call you after 1 hour and 2 hours. So like that you can edit, and you don't want to edit, click here OK option and you can offer quick response setting. Let's click here caller ID announcement. Announce caller ID setting you want to enable, you want to turn on, click here always option. So friends, you can see the caller name and number will be read out for incoming calls. So friends, you have set any number, so you can use your announce caller ID setting in Redmi mobile. Call will announce and you don't want to use, so you can turn off your caller ID announcement setting. Click on never option. You can off your caller ID announcement setting. Your call will not announce in your Redmi mobile if you turn off this setting. You want to announce, you want to use, click here always option and you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you find out if any problem in Redmi mobile setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye.